This is Just in Case of AmericaNewscape, welcoming back Sarah Wisdom with a new episode of Yuma County Library Happenings. Hello, Sarah. Let's take that walk of life with what's happening at the libraries.
Well, I have some very exciting news to share today, and I think it's going to make a lot of people very happy. We have determined that we can now allow browsing at our libraries, and that means people will be able to go into the stacks and select their own materials. And I know that's something that people were lamenting they missed so much when we first opened. So we're really excited to be able to offer this service again. We just want to let people know that we are still metering access to the library. So when you come, we're still checking temperatures. We'll ask you what we can help you with today. If you'd like to browse, that's fine. We just ask that you keep your mask on while you're in the library, and you will have 30 minutes to visit the stacks and select some materials. So we are very excited to offer the service, and as always, thank everybody for their patience. This is all new to us too, so we are doing the best we can to offer services safely. So thank you.
Well, Sarah, that's wonderful news. We've gotten a lot of comments on our side of when's browsing going to be allowed, and it's not that they were, the people were patiently understanding, but they were anxious to get back in there and kick the tires of those books.
Yes, that's one of the best things about visiting the library is you go in for one thing and then you see something next to it that catches your interest. So we understand, we completely understand that people were really missing that. So we're very excited to be able to offer it again.
Okay, we are too. What else do you have for us, Sarah?
Well, I wanted to mention some writing workshops that are happening virtually. Coming up in November, it's National Novel Writing Month, and it's a challenge to write, I believe it's 175 pages from November 1st to the 30th. And every year before National Novel Writing Month, our writers group from the Foothills Library called Write on the Edge offer a series of workshops to help you get started and get ready for when November 1st comes. And so on Melissa Stevens' YouTube channel, they've been offering a weekly session. They've talked about how to develop characters, where to get your story ideas, plot and other glitches, I believe was the last one. So they're posting those on Saturdays, and then we're sharing the link to those every Wednesday on our Facebook page to try and reach a wider audience. So if you're somebody who just likes to write, or maybe you've considered writing the great American novel, or even just a children's book, I mean, this is your opportunity. It's a fun challenge, and you've got a lot of camaraderie. So it's a great event every year that we celebrate. And here's your chance to get ready with these writing workshops.
Very cool.
Last but not least, I have to give a shout out to our Friends of the Library because it is National Friends of Libraries Week. These are our volunteers that tirelessly advocate for the library. They sell books for fundraisers. They provide prizes for summer reading. They are just amazing, and we could not do what we do without the support of our friends groups. We have Friends of Yuma County Libraries, Inc. We have Friends of the Foothills Library and Friends of the Welton Library. And all these groups just do an amazing job for our libraries. So we want to give them a shout out this week and encourage people, if you're interested in supporting the library, it's a terrific volunteer opportunity.
Yeah, kudos to all those groups. All right. This has been Justin and Sarah sharing a glimpse into Yuma County Library happenings. Additional info is in this video's Read More. Thanks for joining us. Remember to support your local library, librarians, and their staffs, and please consider subscribing to this channel.